guys Hello guys, welcome to the style series of my channel Style Crunch. So today we are going to extract seeds of calendula flower. So this is our calendula flower. This is our calendula plant with dried flowers. The petals shed off when the flower once dried. This is another dried flower. These are the seeds which are green in color now but gradually turns brown. The fully brown structure is ready to extract, so this flower will take it off from the plant. We'll place it on a soft tissue paper and rub it gently to extract seeds. Take another dried up flower. This is totally dried, hence it will give nice seeds. So we have rubbed this and it has given us seeds. So guys, this is our calendula seeds. This can be grown, sown in wet mud, and this will give us calendula plant. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.